Hey everyone, this is Chris over here at Ace Vacuums, your one-stop shop for all your cleaning needs. Just want to give you guys a brief detailed description about what our company does, where all do we do servicing at. We get a lot of customers calling from the Hamilton, Virginia area, and we just want to let you guys know we do service everybody out in Hamilton. Our store is actually a quick drive right up Route 7. We're about 10 to 15 minutes away from everybody in the Hamilton area. We do everything from vacuum repairs to servicing, cleaning, filter replacements, sales, central vac systems, warranty work, pretty much a little bit of everything to do with anything vacuum wise. We do everything from Dyson, Shark, Hoover, Bissell, Dirt Devil, Electrolux, Ork, Miele, Kirby, whatever you have, we can pretty much work on it. Our estimates are always free. There's no obligation or any money involved as far as paying us to look at your vacuum. A lot of the common issues that we get are loss of suction or no suction. We get some that's not turning on, burning smell, rollers not spinning, different things like that. A lot of these issues are common issues and they're very easily fixed. We do offer same-day repairs, so if you're trying to get your vacuum done because you don't want to come back out or you need it really quickly and you got company coming over, just let us know ahead of time that you're looking for a same-day repair, and if it's possible, we can definitely get it fixed for you. We do know in some of the older vacuums, we don't always carry all those parts in stock, so we would have to order stuff, but we'll let you know ahead of time when you bring it in if it needs to be left. Warranty work is about the same. Just bring it in. We are open 7 days a week. There's no appointment needed. Bring your vacuum in, whether it's a Shark, a Bissell, Dyson, Miele, Recaro, whatever it is, and bring in your proof of purchase and your basic information we'll need to get from you. We'll submit everything to the manufacturer on your behalf, and then once we get the parts in, we'll put the parts on, give you a call, let you know when it's ready for pickup. We do always get your approval first before any work that we do, where it's going to cost you money. So we make sure we get your approval on that. We are here, like I said, 7 days a week, Monday through Friday from 10 to 6, Saturday 9 to 5, Sunday 11 to 5. So if you have any questions about the work we do, we also do central vac calls. So if you have a central vac system in your home and you want to get it worked on or replace it, let us know as well too. We can help you out with all that. Don't forget to like us and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. Keep up to date with everything we got going on. Our phone number is 703-997-9292. Give us a call anytime and we can help you guys out. Thank you and have a great day.